Hello friends, my name is Shubham Shetty. Now we discuss about cell and cell organelles. Cell is a basic structural and functional unit of life, and they comes in various sizes and shapes and can be found in all living organisms. Now first we see the cell organelles. First one is cell membrane. Cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane, and it generally contain or it generally passes from message from one inside or outside the cell. Now second one is cytoplasm. Now cytoplasm is a gel like substance, and mainly all the metabolic reaction are involved in here that in cytoplasmic membrane. And second one is nucleus is a master cell of the cell, and cell generally contain, and the nucleus generally contain genetic material like DNA, and it coordinates all the metabolic reaction. Then second one is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum has two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. A soft endoplasmic reticulum has without ribosomes, and it generally involve the lipid synthesis and detoxification process. Now in rough endoplasmic reticulum, in also have ribosomes are also present. Now the second one is now the second one is now the second one is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus are generally used for the transportation various processes, and various messages are in through the Golgi apparatus. Then second one is ribosome. The protein synthesis process are generally occur in ribosome. Then lysosomes. Lysosomes are enzyme breakdown process, and like it can break down the waste material, and it can generally transport in various Golgi apparatus to remove it waste. Second one is nucleolus. Nucleolus is generally found in the nucleus, inside the nucleus, and which is the main function of nucleolus for the it is responsible for ribosome production. Now then second one is cytoskeleton. Then cytoskeleton is composed of mainly microtubules or microfilaments. Then it is main function for the give the specific shape to the cell, and involving cell movement. That means all the structural area and all the processes are even, or all the things are done in cell and cell organelles. Thank you.